Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of updating your payment method on Cash App. To get started, open the Cash App and log into your account. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to access your profile page. Here, you'll see information such as your available cash balance, as well as options for cash, Bitcoin, and your linked payment methods like bank accounts, debit cards, or credit cards. To update a payment method, select the specific method you want to change. For example, a bank account, debit card, or credit card. After selecting it, tap the three dots in the top right corner of that section. From there, you'll have the option to either replace or delete the payment method. If you want to add a new payment method, return to the same section and choose the Add Card option. This lets you easily replace the old payment method with a new one. And that's it. Updating your payment method on Cash App is that simple.